going on, everybody? Mike here, doing some hard resets for you. Today we have a OnePlus Nord N300, and on this phone, if you have one of these and you have a pattern or password, you don't remember what it is, and you got to do a hard reset, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. First thing we got to do is turn off the phone. So we have your volume buttons right there. You have the volume up and the volume down right there, and your power buttons right there. So we'll hit power and volume up at the same time. I'll bring up the power off menu, and we want to turn the phone off. There we go. Once the phone is off, what we'll do is we'll hold the volume down and the power button at the same time. So I'm going to start by pressing volume down. And before I do this, just so you guys know, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So be mindful when you're doing a hard reset. So let's hold volume down and power button at the same time. Once the phone turns on, you can let go of the power button, but just keep holding the volume down. So we'll do that. It takes a minute to kind of get in there. So if you guys find this helpful, just drop a like, subscribe, comment. I'd appreciate it. Then from here we have, it gets right into the menu. You can either use touch or you can use the volume buttons to scroll and the power button to select. So you can scroll down. It's kind of sensitive a little bit, so if you have your fingers on the touch, it will bring this up. So we want to format data. Format data. It's going to ask us to type in a code that it brings up to make sure that we're actually doing it. So if you have one of these phones and the touchscreen does not work, you're kind of out of luck, unfortunately, because there's really no way around that. So it's 9798 and format data, yes. So deleting. Once it's done, it's going to ask us to either power off or reboot. It looks like it selected power off on its own. But this is how you do a hard reset on a OnePlus Nord N300. So if you guys have any questions or comments, like I said, feel free to drop a like, subscribe, and appreciate you guys watching. Thanks.